This video will show you how to set up Curios so any ebooks that you buy can be read on your Kindle. You will only have to follow these steps once, and all future books you buy can be sent with ease. To start, head to Amazon.com and hover your mouse over your name in the top right corner. Select Devices from the list of options, and then next you're going to click Preferences right here at the top. And then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where you will see Approved Personal Document Email List. In this area, click Add New Email Address, and then enter kindle@curios.com in the field and click Add Address. You will now see kindle@curios.com on that list. Now on the same page, we will scroll up until we see Send to Kindle email settings. These are the email addresses for any Kindle devices you may have. Select the appropriate email address, right-click and hit Copy, and then we're going to head to Curios.com. We'll click the library option in the top right-hand menu, select the book we want to send, and click Access Content. Then we're going to click the Send to Kindle button. We will select the email your book to your Kindle account and paste in your Kindle email we just copied. Then click Send to Kindle, and the book will appear on your Kindle. As mentioned, you will only need to do these steps once. Any future ebooks bought directly from the author on Curios will be automatically sent with the click of a button. Thank you for choosing to support authors by shopping on Curios.